to set password on app on Nothing Phone 4a, open the system settings. Now, when you are here, you have to open application screen. There we go. And go for app locker. Right now, to do this, we have to set a standard screen lock. So in my case, that will be just a simple pattern. And right now in this screen, you can adjust notifications. So if you want to really hide them, you should select don't show notifications at all. And now pick any application that you want to lock. For example, I'm gonna do this with AI Live application. And here, go to the lock app when screen is locked, or I will recommend you to select this one, app exits. And you can also change the lock settings, so you can add a privacy password or use the same that you are using as your screen lock. And here, if we try to open it, as you can see, we have to verify and we have to input a password.